Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Pamela. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you guys so much. So in today's video, I'll be doing a 10-minute everyday look for your work, for school, okay? You just don't want to look like you just rolled out from bed, but just want to look a little bit made up, okay, with minimal products, okay. I got you in my whole heart, guys. So without wasting much of our time, just dive straight into the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay. So guys, first thing first, we are starting with moisturizer. I already applied on my face, okay. A good moisturizer is okay for you, and this is Cetaphil and it's affordable, so a good moisturizer is good for you. So next is primer, okay. That's a way to control oil, stop your makeup from greasing. Yeah, so you apply primer a little bit. So guys, now I'm done applying the primer on my face. Next is my eyebrows, so I'll be using this spoolie to just brush upwards. What's that? So we're done drawing the brows. You can leave it like this, you can conceal, but I'll go with a little bit of concealer just to define it a little. Now concentrate on the brow bones, okay. A drop of this is okay. A drop is okay. Then little. Okay. famous. So next is foundation, little. Next, we'll go with concealer, one shade lighter than my skin tone. Is enough. So guys, I'm done with what's it called, with the concealer. I want to set the concealer. Little product goes a long way. So here we are skipping baking. You're not baking, guys. Okay. Yeah. Pause. So guys, now be setting the entire face. Okay. So guys, I'm going to add a little bit of contour to bring back warmth to my face. Okay. A little bit. Think we are good to go. So next thing I will do is I will use a little blush. Okay. A little blush. So yeah, have to be minimal with the products. Little products goes a long way. I think we are good to go. A little is there. Okay. Next thing is you're going to use the same powder for contour. We are going to use it to for our eyeshadow. Okay. A little. That place doesn't look wet. Okay, that stuff excess. Yeah, we're not doing any line now. We're not doing any lashes. It's just mascara. Okay. So moving on to mascara, guys, we'll just do up and lower lashes. Okay. What's her? So guys, we'll be going with a lip gloss. Like you just use a transparent one, just normal lip gloss or anyone. So guys, after applying my lip gloss, this is the final look that we created. Okay. So I think this will help you in your everyday going to work makeup or going to school. Okay. I think this will serve you better. This shouldn't take up to 10 to 15 minutes and you are done. Else you're a beginner, maybe your brows, have issues with your brows or anything. I think everything here is quite simple. Okay. So guys, like if you like my video, sorry, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends and family that need this makeup video. Okay. And please subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. So, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.